flex on my opponents. I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping. Said I had to go get some racks now, so when I hit them all, I put racks down. You can smell all over your backs now, take your bitch to the crib, blow her back.
Don't do the nigga, nah, he gotta go, man. He been talking crazy too. He gotta go, like he gotta go. He gotta get the fuck on. You know what I'm saying? Not knocking a nigga, good nigga. I fuck with him, but he gotta die.
Deep up in the streets, might have to fall in love with strangers. House party 30 deep, we came straight.
April 4th, what's April 4th? I don't know what April 4th is, homie. Yeah, I'm ready for that shit, but we ain't got no rescheduled date yet, so whenever niggas figure out when it's gonna be, man, I'm there, I'm pulling up. Feel what I'm saying? 150 and 150, that's 300, ain't no difference. Niggas in heaven having a gangster party. We doing numbers off the late night. Alaikum salam, slow. Niggas up late with it, man. Y'all niggas got going on right now, man. Time veto battle. That's the 4th? Yeah, I'ma pull up. You know what I'm saying? OSBL shit. Chaos Murder Management. I gotta pull up for support my motherfucking manager and my whole team, man. I gotta support them niggas. Light skin OG on Drexel. So my host now? Chapman and 23 up. Yeah, we lit.
I do it for the halves and the have-nots. All he had was a half in a glass pot. Got a race to hit the first one with the last rock.
Chapman and 23 up. We it. Shit on repeat. Sitting out here in front of these people's house with all this bass jumping and shit, man. They gon' throw a fit, man. I'll take my ass in the house. Mayor Petey. Man, y'all niggas, whatever y'all do, man, stay corona free. Sanitize everything. Eat healthy. Who my man? Casino. What's up, big homie? How you feeling? I got you, man. I ain't really got a whole bunch of shit going on tomorrow, so just hit my line. We ain't on shit, man. We out here live, man. You know what I mean? I got you, boss. I already know. Vito dead on the 4th? Nah, I sincerely doubt that, but if you say so. Man, yeah, same over here, man. I ain't on shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't on shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, no question. You know what I'm saying? No question, bro. Renaissance, man. Squirrel, what up? On some Northwestern shit. Shit, Ty gonna put him in a bag. I hear that, man. Arantes. I know about Arantes. What's up, nigga? You know what I'm saying? We out this motherfucker vibing, man. I just went shopping and shit, man. Hey, man, listen, I went to Walmart, man, and the most precarious shit happened. Niggas took all the ketchup, bro. I don't understand, like, the important, like, niggas gonna real live be in the bathroom, like, yo, we just ran out of toilet paper, go ahead and hand me some of that ketchup. Like, what significance did ketchup play? Mercy Brothers, man, you already know. Mercy, man. Arantes. Yeah, I don't get it. Niggas real live took all the motherfucking ketchup. The ketchup, bro. Why? Like, who panicked and was like, man, we gotta go get as much ketchup as possible. It was literally like 2 bottles of ketchup left. Why ketchup, bro? Niggas is that much niggas? The ketchup, bro. Like, what y'all doing? Y'all cooking out? What the fuck is going on, bro? Niggas trying to barbecue the corona away. I never understand that, bro. Nigga real loud took all the ketchup. It's just wild shit. The niggas taking wild. You can't get no laundry detergent. Laundry, bro. Niggas just know they gonna have to wash clothes, huh? I respect it. I can't do nothing but respect it. What's up, homie? I ain't no shit, man. I'm out this motherfucker cooling. Niggas having a grill off during Corona. They trying to see who can cook the best. Who got the best Corona recipe? Who got the best Corona recipe, man? Niggas out here getting that Coors Light. That Coors Light virus kicking niggas' ass. I don't want no parts of it, man. I'm out here washing my hands and not touching you motherfucking hoes and you niggas. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no hugs. I don't want nothing. Don't give me no dap. Don't give me nothing, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit crazy though, man. Ketchup, bro. I swear to God, niggas took all the ketchup, bro. Nah, I mean, it's gonna go down at some point, man. At some point, niggas gonna rap. So, the longer you give me the right, the longer I'm not gonna have no hiccups. Yeah, I get to practice and practice and practice. Man, listen. Bad news went around, I owe you $5,000. I'm gonna kick this nigga ass if I don't choke. You know what I'm saying? As long as I don't go in that motherfucking completely forget all my material or happen to have any type of allergic reactions or no crazy shit like that. Slugger Wugger, my nigga Slugger Wugger in the building. Wugger, what's up, nigga? You supposed to be writing, bro. What you doing, bro? You ain't supposed to be in the lab. Talking about where I'm at. I'm in front of my house. I just went shopping. This nigga, what you call it, supposed to be pulling up? Oh, he out. He behind me now. I'm about to holler at this nigga right now. Yeah, nah, they got all the ketchup, bro. That shit was weird. Why would they ever do that, man? Niggas is weird as hell. Look at this nigga. This nigga She just pulled up. This nigga She just pulled up. This nigga just pulled up. I'm not putting you in the loud, Slugger. You gonna scare everybody away, you ugly ass. I'm not doing it, Slugger. And now that I said it, I'm gonna have to put you in the loud, cause now niggas gonna be wondering, like, who is he really that ugly? Yes. He is. Nigga, horrid. Somebody stole my motherfucking charger, man. You can't let niggas in your car for nothing. Niggas walk out with shit that they ain't come in with. Shit is ridiculous.